If you did a diploma after 10th grade, this one website decides whether your Germany dream continues or ends. And most students are checking it wrong. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how ANABIN works, what H+, H, and H+ really mean, and why some diploma students get accepted while others get rejected even with the same diploma. So don't skip. This video can save you years. Quick question before we start. Have you ever been confused about ANABIN, H+ status, or whether diploma after 10th is accepted in Germany? If yes, type yes in the comments. Now let's start from zero. First, biggest myth. ANABIN does not approve students. ANABIN is Germany's official recognition database. It is used by German universities, visa officers, and ZAB. Its job is very simple. It answers only one question. Is this institution and qualification academically valid in Germany? That's it. Your marks, IELTS, money, or experience do not matter at this stage. Now pay close attention because this part decides everything. H+. H+ means the institution is officially recognized in Germany. But here's the trap most students fall into. H+ does not mean guaranteed admission. H+ only means one thing. You are allowed to apply. If H+ meant guaranteed admission, every student would already be in Germany. Next, H. H means the institution is not recognized in Germany. No matter how good your marks are, no matter how strong your profile is, this qualification will not be accepted. There is no shortcut here. Now the most confusing one, H+. CHOS means partially recognized. Some qualifications are accepted. Some are not. Everything is decided case by case. In many H+ cases, universities ask for ZAB evaluation. A+A is not rejection. A+ is uncertainty. Now let me show you how to check ANABIN properly. When you open the ANABIN website, do not search your diploma name first. Most students panic because their diploma title is not listed. That is normal. You must first search under institutions and check your college status. German universities care more about the institution recognition and your academic pathway, not the exact wording of your diploma. Now the biggest question, is diploma after 10th accepted in Germany? Here is the honest answer. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on your academic progression. Accepted pathway usually looks like this. Diploma after 10th, plus further qualification like 12th NIOS or equivalent plus H+ institution, plus correct bachelor course mapping. Rejected pathway usually looks like this. Diploma after 10th only, no academic progression, direct bachelor application. Germany does not reject diplomas. Germany rejects academic gaps. Now listen carefully because this is why many students get rejected even with H+. Wrong course mapping, no subject continuity, university-specific rules, incomplete academic pathway. ANABIN clears your eligibility to apply. Universities decide who they accept. And if your diploma is not listed in ANABIN, do not panic. Check the institution status first. Apply directly to universities. Go for ZAB evaluation if asked. Strengthen your academic pathway. Thousands of students get accepted every year even when their exact diploma is not listed. If this video cleared even a little confusion, like the video. If you're a diploma student planning Germany, subscribe. This channel is built for you. And comment ANABIN if you want a separate video on ZAB evaluation, course mapping, or university shortlisting.